I am Alan Olazo, licensed mechanical engineer. I am from Quezon Province. I am the owner of Adjo Automoto, located in Carmona, Cavite. So I put up metal fabrication last 2011, and this year I started on car and motorcycle industry. I started on motorcycle journey last 2011 during pandemic. Mas frequent yung rides ko during pandemic. I owned a Honda XADV 750. That was my first big bike. And now, I just purchased KTM 790 R Adventure. I've been in Matnog and Apari, Santa Ana. Most of my rides is in North. Actually, nagra-ride din ako ng enduro. So, yun ang mas memorable sa akin. So, pupunta kami sa ilog, pupunta kami sa mga bundok, and ayun, mas masaya kasama yung mga riders. Ang group ko sa motorcyclist ay Honda XADV Philippines, KTM, then Cavite Big Bike Club. So, medyo marami eh. So, I just joined the SSB. SSB Senate Big Bikers. For riders, I think huwag nyo kakalimutan lagi ang safety. So I mean, dapat lagi tayo may gears. So complete gears during the rides. Sa nag-uumpisa, I think kailangan nyo rin ng matuto sa kapwa nyo riders, magtanong kayo. Then kung may opportunity kayo mag-aral sa mga school ng riding safety, so I think much better. Absolute Rider, ito yung pinakamagandang dashcam na nakita ko. Kumbaga, complete na siya. So meron ka ng camera, meron ka pang navigation. Actually, pwede siyang standalone. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng SIM card na may data. Tapos, meron na siyang TPMS. So, during the rides, mamamonitor mo yung tire pressure mo. Ayun, pag nandito kayo pwede kayong pumunta dito sa akin, Adjo Automoto Inc., located at Carmona, Cavite. Services offered namin as of now, mga PMS lang, change oil and other accessories like Absolute Rider. Hi, I'm Alan of Adjo Automoto. I am one of the official dealer of Absolute Rider.